In front of me is Motorola RAZR 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Gestures. Now tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using gesture navigation, use this switcher next to Use one-handed mode to activate it. Then hit Pull Screen into Reach and pull down the top half of your screen by swiping down from the bottom of it. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on this area at the top or swipe up. If you want to disable it, use the same now green switcher. If you have 3 buttons navigation though, I will change mine real quick to show you. This option will be unavailable. That's why you need to scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit Got it and use one-handed mode by tapping on the shortcut whenever you want to. To disable it, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!